into a comfortable seated position, spine straight, palms facing upward. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Imagine sitting beneath a radiant sun, its golden rays spilling over you like liquid warmth. The sun's light carries laughter, soft, melodic giggles that ripple through the air. Feel this joy seep into your skin, awakening every cell with playful, glowing energy. Let the sun's laughter vibrate in your chest. Notice how it coaxes a smile to your lips without effort. With each inhale, draw in shimmering light. With each exhale, release any heaviness. Your body becomes a vessel of pure, buzzing delight. Whisper, "Joy is my nature. I am a child of light." Expand this radiance outward. Visualize the sun's giggles sparking like fireflies around you, illuminating the space. They dance, touching trees, grass, distant horizons, sharing your joy with the world. The universe echoes back, amplifying your light. You are both giver and receiver in this cosmic exchange of positivity. Now, bathe fully in the sun's embrace. Doubts dissolve in its warmth. Shadows melt. Laughter swirls within you, a golden storm of gratitude. Affirm, "I release what dims my light. I deserve this boundless joy." The present moment is a playground. You are free to revel, unburdened. Gently return to your surroundings. Feel the sun's energy lingering in your palms, your heartbeat, your breath. Carry this luminous laughter into your day. When ready, open your eyes, glowing with the unshakable truth. You are the sun's favorite collaborator in spreading radiance.